Welcome to our deep dive into the secrets of the world's wealthiest people. In this video, we're going to explore the fascinating strategies and mindsets that have propelled some of the richest individuals on the planet to extraordinary financial heights. Have you ever wondered what sets billionaires apart from the rest of us? Well, you're in the right place. We'll cover a range of wealth-building strategies that these financial titans swear by, from smart investing and entrepreneurship to the importance of networking and continuous learning. You'll discover how they think about money, risk, and opportunity, and how you can apply these principles in your own life. But this isn't just about numbers and charts. It's about the allure of wealth and the freedom it can bring. Imagine having the ability to travel the world, invest in your passions, or support causes you care about. The journey to financial success is not just a dream. It can be a reality with the right approach. Throughout this video, we'll share actionable secrets that you can implement today to start your own path toward financial independence. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your existing strategies, there's something here for everyone. So grab a notebook, get comfortable, and prepare to be inspired. Let's unlock the secrets of the wealthy together and set you on a course for financial success. When it comes to building wealth, the mindset of wealthy individuals plays a crucial role in their success. It requires lots of patience and consistent. One of the key components of this mindset is the concept of a growth mindset. Wealthy people believe that their abilities and intelligence can be developed through dedication and hard work. This perspective fosters resilience, allowing them to bounce back from setbacks and view challenges as opportunities for growth rather than insurmountable obstacles. Failures are an inevitable part of any journey, but wealthy individuals have a unique way of approaching them. Instead of seeing failure as a dead end, they view it as a valuable learning experience. Each misstep provides insights that can be leveraged for future success. This ability to extract lessons from failures not only builds resilience, but also enhances their problem-solving skills, making them more adept at navigating the complexities of wealth building. Another critical aspect of the wealthy mindset is the practice of goal setting and visualization. Wealthy individuals often set clear, specific goals that guide their actions and decisions. They visualize their success, creating a mental picture of what they want to achieve. This practice not only keeps them motivated, but also helps them stay focused on their objectives, even when faced with distractions or challenges. In summary, the mindset of the wealthy is characterized by a growth-oriented approach, resilience in the face of failure, and a strong emphasis on goal setting and visualization. By adopting these principles, anyone can start to shift their mindset and take meaningful steps toward achieving their own financial success. When it comes to building and maintaining wealth, the investment strategies employed by the wealthiest individuals are often key to their success. One fundamental principle that many billionaires adhere to is the significance of diversifying investments across various asset classes. One fundamental principle that many billionaires adhere to is the significance of diversifying investments across various asset classes. By spreading their investments across stocks, bonds, real estate, and alternative assets, they mitigate risk and increase the potential for returns. This diversification helps protect their portfolios from market volatility and economic downturns, ensuring a more stable financial future. Another crucial aspect of successful investing is long-term thinking and patience. Wealthy individuals understand that building substantial wealth is not an overnight endeavor. They often adopt a buy and hold strategy, focusing on the long-term potential of their investments rather than reacting to short-term market fluctuations. This patience allows them to ride out market dips and capitalize on the compounding growth of their assets over time. A prime example of this investment philosophy can be seen in the strategies of Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors in history. Buffett is known for his value investing approach, where he seeks undervalued companies with strong fundamentals and holds on to them for the long haul. His investments in companies like Coca-Cola and American Express have yielded significant returns over decades, demonstrating the power of patience and strategic thinking. In summary, the investment strategies of the wealthiest individuals emphasize diversification, long-term thinking, and patience. By adopting these principles, anyone can enhance their investment approach and work toward achieving their financial goals. Networking plays a pivotal role in building wealth, and wealthy individuals understand the immense value of cultivating strong relationships. They leverage these connections to create opportunities that may not be available through traditional channels. By engaging with a diverse range of people, from industry leaders to fellow entrepreneurs, they can access valuable insights, resources, and potential partnerships that can propel their financial success. One of the most significant aspects of networking is the importance of mentorship. Wealthy individuals often seek out mentors who can provide guidance, share experiences, and offer advice based on their own journeys. Learning from those who have already achieved success can help aspiring wealth builders avoid common pitfalls and accelerate their growth. Mentorship fosters a culture of continuous learning, allowing individuals to refine their strategies and expand their knowledge base. Additionally, surrounding oneself with like-minded, ambitious individuals is crucial for personal and professional growth. Wealthy individuals often build networks of peers who share similar goals and aspirations. This environment encourages collaboration, idea exchange, and mutual support, creating a powerful ecosystem that drives everyone forward. Being part of such a network can inspire individuals to push their limits, take calculated risks, and stay motivated on their path to financial success. In summary, networking and relationships are essential components of wealth building. By leveraging connections, seeking mentorship, and surrounding themselves with ambitious individuals, wealthy people create a foundation for opportunities and growth. Lifelong learning is a cornerstone of success among the wealthy, and it's a principle that many successful individuals prioritize throughout their lives. They understand that the world is constantly evolving, and staying ahead requires a commitment to education and self-improvement. They understand that the world is constantly evolving, and staying ahead requires a commitment to education and self-improvement. This dedication to learning not only enhances their skills, but also broadens their perspectives, allowing them to make informed decisions in their personal and professional lives. Wealthy individuals often turn to books and courses as valuable resources for growth. For instance, Warren Buffett is known for his voracious reading habits, reportedly consuming around 500 pages a day. He attributes much of his success to the knowledge gained from books like The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham, which has shaped his investment philosophy. Similarly, Bill Gates frequently shares his reading list, highlighting influential works such as How to Avoid a Climate Disaster by Gates himself, which reflects his commitment to understanding complex global issues. In addition to books, many wealthy individuals invest in courses and seminars that enhance their skills and knowledge. Online platforms like Coursera and Masterclass offer a wealth of opportunities for learning from industry experts, making it easier than ever to access high-quality education. We encourage viewers to adopt a habit of reading and learning regularly. Whether it's dedicating time each day to read a book, enrolling in an online course, or attending workshops, the pursuit of knowledge can significantly impact your journey toward financial success. By embracing continuous learning, you can equip yourself with the tools and insights needed to thrive in an ever-changing world. Philanthropy is a significant aspect of the lives of the wealthiest individuals, and it goes beyond mere financial contributions. Engaging in philanthropy allows these individuals to give back to their communities and make a lasting impact on society. Wealthy people work hard and make a lasting impact on society. Many wealthy people find personal fulfillment in their charitable efforts, as they recognize that their resources can help address pressing social issues, improve lives, and create opportunities for others. One prominent example of philanthropy in action is Bill Gates, co-founder of Microsoft. Through the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, he has committed billions to various causes, including global health, education, and poverty alleviation. His efforts have led to significant advancements in vaccine distribution and education reform, demonstrating how targeted philanthropy can create meaningful change. Gates often emphasizes that giving back is not just a responsibility, but also a privilege that enriches his life and the lives of countless others. Philanthropy also fosters a sense of community and encourages collaboration among individuals and organizations working toward common goals. When wealthy individuals invest in their communities, they inspire others to do the same, creating a ripple effect of positive change. We encourage viewers to consider how they can contribute to their own communities, regardless of their financial status. Philanthropy doesn't always have to involve large sums of money. It can also include volunteering time, sharing skills, or supporting local initiatives. By finding ways to give back, you can experience the fulfillment that comes from making a difference, while also helping to build a stronger, more vibrant community for everyone. As we wrap up our exploration of the secrets of the world's wealthiest, let's summarize the key takeaways that can help you on your own wealth-building journey. First and foremost, adopting a growth mindset is essential. Embrace challenges, learn from failures, and remain resilient in the face of obstacles. This mindset will empower you to seize opportunities and continuously improve. Next, remember the importance of strategic investing. Diversifying your investments across various asset classes and thinking long-term can significantly enhance your financial growth. Look to successful investors like Warren Buffett for inspiration, and consider how you can apply similar strategies in your own investment approach. Networking and building relationships are also crucial. Surround yourself with like-minded, ambitious individuals and seek mentorship from those who have achieved the success you aspire to. These connections can open doors to new opportunities and provide invaluable insights. Additionally, commit to continuous learning. Make reading and education a regular part of your life, drawing inspiration from the books and courses that have influenced successful figures. This dedication to self-improvement will keep you informed and adaptable in an ever-changing world. Finally, don't forget the power of philanthropy. Giving back not only enriches your life, but also positively impacts your community. Now that you have these actionable secrets, it's time to take the next step. Start applying these principles in your life today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and explore more content that can guide you on your path to financial success. Thank you for watching.